Okay, fine. So in this session we will discuss about object relations in Salesforce, right?
Mhm.
Object relations in Salesforce. So we have two types of relations between objects. That is one to many, okay, one to many, and many to many, many to many, okay. So these are the main types of object relations. To establish these relationships, we have the concepts like, okay, lookup relationship,
Master detail
lookup relationship, master detail relationship,
relationship.
exactly, master detail relationship. Fine. So what is this? We know about one to many to many, right? So that means one, object or one record will maintain relation with other one or many records or objects. So that case we will call as one to many. Okay. That means one India object. Okay. Coming to our real-time exam, India is one object. Okay. It is maintaining relationship between China, Pakistan. That may be enemy type of relation or healthy relation. Okay. So US, Russia, like that. Okay. Coming to many, um, many students are maintaining relation with, um, hospital. Okay. Students are maintaining relation with hospital, temple, okay, school, like that. Okay. Students are group of object, group of things. So they are maintaining relation with, they are going to temple, okay, sometimes they need to go hospital, okay, every day they are going to schools, okay, that may be one school or many schools, like that. So that is that type of relation we call as many to many relation, okay. So coming to, how to establish these types of relations and what are the things, okay. So we use fields here. We will use lookup field and also master detail field we will use to create this relation. And if you use the lookup relation, you can create only one to many relation, okay, between objects. So using using lookup field, you can create only one to many relation. So you cannot create many to many. Okay. Coming to a master detail relationship, you can create both of these relationship, that is one to many to many. So if you are creating many to many relationship, there is one important object is there, that is the midpoint of between to maintain many to many relationship that we called as junction object. Junction object. So using this object to one to many relations will be joined over here, okay, and form a many to many relationship. So coming to picture, how we will use, okay, these relationships. So before that, Okay, let me explain more about lookup and master detail relationships. So what are the difference between these two? Okay, so both are, to view identically. They are there is no difference, but with a mandatory mark. Master detail will have one mandatory mark, that is red mark before the prefix with the field name, field value. So coming to lookup relationship, there is no mandatory mark. Okay, identically both are, there is no difference. Okay, other than that mandatory mark. And also, so the relation, okay, the one-to-many relation that exists because of master detail relationship, okay, using master detail field, it is the tight bound relation. That means the the parent, if the parent record gets deleted from the database, okay, all its related child records will automatically get deleted. And also, there is no owner exist specifically for child record. Okay, it will get all the created date, okay, not created date, only owner properties will be, they will fetch from its master record. Okay, master detail relationship. Okay, ownership details shared with shared to all its child records. Okay, okay, whatever the owner details on parent record, okay, those details will be shared with all its child records. That is one thing in master detail. When parent record gets deleted, all child records, okay, will automatically auto deleted. Fine. So Madhu, are you sure Nagendra is not joining this session, right? I didn't share the.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, fine. So this is one property, parent record. When parent record deleted, all its related child records will automatically deleted. Okay. So on parent, we are allowed to track, sum of, okay, sum of max, okay, min, count. Okay, these four functions we can perform to track our child records. To track child records. So that means how many childs one parent record is having, to check that one. And if you want to calculate a particular field that exists on child page layout, okay, child record page layout, so that field summary, okay, some of that fields, all our childs, combinedly what is the count, okay, and what is the maximum value of all child records, what is the minimum of all child records. That thing also we can do. Okay. So coming to other properties, okay, it is mandatory field on child page layout. So coming to mandatory instructions, so it is the field when you are going to save the child record, this is the mandatory value. Okay, you need to select. And also, so I think these all the main points covered for master detail. Okay, you can search if there is any listed on website. We can discuss. Okay, so coming to lookup relationship. Okay, coming to lookup field. Coming to lookup field, give me 1 minute. So when you have created relationship that is one-to-many between objects, okay, it is not the mandatory one. It is not mandatory. That means it is optional. Okay, without providing value also you can save child record. Okay, this is loose coupled and master detail is tightly coupled. Coming to the ownership, okay, everyone is individual. Okay, master detail may have some other owner. Okay, child record may have another owner, like that. Okay, there is no particular ownership between parent and child records. Okay, different owners for parent as well as child records. And also when parent record gets deleted, okay, there is no need to child record also auto deleted. There is no mean in that. Okay, that means when parent record deleted, okay, child records will remain there in the database. Fine.
Okay.
So okay, it is optional field. When parent deleted, child records will remain there in the database. Fine. These are the main important points regarding lookup. Okay. So coming to the picture, okay, how we can maintain the relationship between two objects. So we need two objects here. So here on my demo app, I have created only sample object. So for that, I'm taking another object. Okay, I'm creating one more object for my application, and I create object objects, new custom object within the governor limits or not. Sample objects 2 I'm taking. Sample object 2. No issue with this database name. I'm keeping everything as it is. Nothing I'm changing. Okay. Here I'm clicking this checkbox. Let's see what happened. It will open one window where I can customize or create new custom tab for this particular object. Okay. So this is the step where it will auto generate the things for me. Okay, here I'm hiding already used things. Select one style. So visibility I'm keeping default on for every profile. Here I exclude from all applications and including this tab on demo app only. So now on this application you can observe here. Okay, so this I am using as a child object. Okay, this I am using as the newly created object. I am using as child object for creating for demonstrating these relationships. Okay, that is master detail and lookup relationship. Okay, and in my example the sample objects will be the master object. Okay, so how to create from child only we will create relationships, right? From child object. On child object, go to custom fields and relationships section and click on new. Already I told you for relationships also we will use fields itself. Okay. Give me 1 minute. Nagendra, national anthem is going on here nearby. So thank you. So these are the fields we can use to form the relationship. Okay, lookup relationship and master detail relationship. So as I am creating master detail relationship, first I am taking this one. Okay, after that click next. Here we are mentioning what is the master object here. Okay, we are just mentioning master object. I need to manually go through this list of objects and manually select sample object. Then only the relation will exist between the correct objects. Otherwise, you need to check. So now it is confirmed there is a relation between sample objects and sample objects 2. Okay. Here in this relationship, okay, sample objects is the master and sample objects 2 is the child record.
Okay.
Here I am creating a field, okay, that will that is for the to maintain relationship between child object as well as master object. This field will be created on child object. Okay, whatever I am giving the label name, field label name, that will be used for the lookup. Okay, to look up master record. So for which you are maintaining the relationship. Fine with this.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
This field will be created on child object. Okay, this is very confusing thing for few students. Okay, this is the area which is having a bit confusion. So this needs very concentration and good practice. Okay. So here I am mentioning like this. Already child object name here. Okay. This is the master object name, not child object name. So here what I am doing, master object, okay, record lookup. Okay. So this is the thing I am creating one field that is master object record lookup, where I am creating on child object. Fine.
Okay.
So okay. Leave it as it is. Okay. For now, nothing will happen. I'm keeping the settings as default one. Here you can see as this is the mandatory one by its nature. So it is visibility given for every profile. We cannot change. We are not allowed to change. And it is mandatory. Sorry. In the final step, you are asked to customize the a related list name. That is this related list. This is the new thing, right? This is the new thing. This is the new step we come across. Okay. So if you can see, add custom related list, where the related list will exist on object after detail section, right? So on parent object or child object? On parent object. On parent object, the related list of what? Related list of its child records. Fine with this?
Yeah, yes sir.
Related list will be created on master object, that is parent object. Okay. What the related list is containing means all the related list of its child records. Okay. So what name you are going to give for that related list? Okay, you are customizing this thing. Okay, child object. Okay, what is the child object here? Sample object 2. Sample object is master, sample object 2 is child object. Records. Okay, so you will come to know once after creating this relationship. Okay, and you will see these namings. Okay, and related list is on master object, and field name is on child object. From child, fetch the master record. From master, you will calculate the min, max, okay, count, like that. Those functions you will calculate from master record, master object. So I'm saving this. So here there is no records. Okay. So one more thing here, there should be no records. There should be no records in child objects. Okay, while you are creating master detailed relationship. Fine. In this example, there is no records. That's why the relation gets created. Okay. If you want to make this sample objects as a child, okay, before that you need to delete all these records. Already there are some records. Okay, so you cannot make this as a child in master detail relation. Fine. So you can use this as a master field, master object. So that's how it's created. Here you can observe. You can give any alphanumeric this name. This is a standard field. I can give any name, but you must select one record from the master object. Okay, then only the relation will be formed between these two.
Yeah.
This record, that record, that we will use like this. Okay, I'm picking one record. I'm picking one record. Let me create a few records for one record. Okay, again I am selecting one record so that I will be having minimum 2 to 3. Then I can easily demonstrate this thing. Okay, how many records so far created?
4.
That's fine. So let me go to and click on all go. Here, where is the one record? This is the one. I have opened one record. So here you can observe by scrolling down. Okay. Here is the related list. Fine.
Okay.
Child object name I have written. After that, records. Fine.
Okay.
So how many records having a relation with this one record? Okay, all those will be listed here. And we can add few more columns beside this one. Okay, using page layouts. Okay, and also we can adjust this alignment exactly beside the details, exactly beside, exactly below the details, object details. Let me do that. I'm just here we have the a quick access menu. This we call as quick access menu. Okay, so it is containing few functionalities. It is containing. So using that, you can customize the page layout. Particular page layout you can customize, or you can create fields, objects like that. Okay. Here I am clicking on edit layout to edit this page layout. So here what I need to do, I'm just picking this one and moving up. Okay. Here I am under related lists. Okay. Exactly below the detail, object details, I have dropped this one. So now you can check. Okay. So record again, it is record, right? Record is having 4 child records. Okay, here what is the master? Rec 0001, and it is having 4 related child records. Okay. So what is the child object here? This is the child object. What is the master object here? This is the master object. Sample. Fine. This is the master detail relationship. Okay. If I delete this one, all its 4 records from other object also gets deleted. Okay. And also you can see who is the owner of this particular record, who is the last modified user of this particular record. So if you go to child object records, you cannot see the owner. Okay, owner details will be automatically fetched from parent object. Here there is no owner, only last modified here. Fine. So this happens with master detail relationship. Okay. So let me perform the delete function. Okay. For that I am again creating a child record. I am taking like that. I am picking this one as master. Okay. Again I am going to open parent. Now click here. How many child records having?
1. Here only 1, right?
Only 1 child record, right? So here on object, How many total records? Total 5 records.
5.
Okay. So now I'm performing delete on master. Okay. I'm deleting master record. Fine. So what happened? Let's see. There is no 0. Okay.
Okay.
0 record gets deleted. Coming to child and refresh this one.
Again,
One record also gets deleted.
no.
So that is the tightly bound manner. That is the tightly bound nature. Okay. And also it is not reverse. If I delete this child, nothing will happen to its parent. Only one record, only one related record will be decremented.
Okay.
Here you can observe opening now three related records. Okay, that is not reverse, only it applicable to master records. When master records gets deleted, its child records also deleted, not reverse. Okay. So that also one important certification question. What happens to child records or master record when a child record gets deleted? What happens to a master record in master detail relationship when one child record gets deleted? This is the question. So nothing will happen. Okay.
Okay.
So this is about master detail relationship. To maintain lookup relationship, I'm trying to create another object. Or else I can use another object for this particular application. Let me use in that way. I'm just including one more object. This object I'm taking. Demo app, right? My application is demo app. I think object tab, not like this. Just click on tabs. There I will have the object tabs section. Just click edit. So like this also we can do. Let me go to applications apps. My application is demo app. Okay, fine. here you can take the object tab. Okay, this is the object tabs. And check save. So now one more object gets added. Okay, like this we can do. So after that, this I'm again this would be the child object, and this would be the parent object in lookup relationship. Okay, in my lookup relationships,
Okay.
this would be the fine. Again, this would be the how to create, like from here I'm creating a new feed. Create new field, I have clicked. Here select lookup relationship. Click next. Let it open. Here we are assigning parent record, that is this one in my example. Click next. So this is the child name, child field, child object field, this one. Okay. But the label name, the value is coming from parent object. Okay. This field will get created on child object, but the value we will get from parent object. So
Okay.
lookup parent, okay, value. Lookup parent value. This is the field name I'm giving. Leave it default. So here, as this is as I already told you, this is the optional one. So you can either add this field now, okay, or later on you can add. Okay, we can uncheck this one. But now I'm keeping this as default. So here this is the parent side related list label name. So what I am giving, lookup child.
Mm-hmm.
Lookup child sample object to records. Lookup child sample object to records. Where this will be gets created? On parent. If I check this object records, I will have related list. If I check this, I will have one more field, that is lookup master records. Fine. Okay. Let me open these two tabs. This is the field. This is the child. So on child, I'm having one more field, that is lookup parent value. So value for this field will get from our parent. That is, what is the parent here? Object tab. Okay. From this, whatever the records gets created. So already having two records. Okay. Or else I can create new record and take this one. And without taking this one also, I can save the record only by selecting master, the mandatory, not master, the mandatory one. Fine. So here on my parent, test is having one related record that you can see here. Lookup child sample object 2 records. Okay. One related record. What type of relationship? Loosely coupled. That means though I am deleting the master, okay, I am deleting the master here, but you can observe VBVN will remain, okay, there on the child object. Okay, there is no effect. I already opened the same record and reloading this one. Okay, no effect. Fine. Only the lookup parent value, previously it was existed. Okay, now it is removed from the child record. Okay, that is the only difference. Now I can take another parent like that. So that is about master detail and lookup relationships in Salesforce. Okay. Very important topic coming to every scenario. Okay, that may be whether you
Hello.
Oh, sorry, I just had a call.
Okay.
Everyone calling and wishing the Independence Day event. Because this is morning, right? So,
Okay.
sorry for that. Extreme. So I'm explaining about the importance of these relationships, right? So here in real time, lookup and master detail relationships are, this is the very crucial, area you need to understand about the relation between two objects, two or more objects. Okay. So by looking at how to check whether or which object is having related to which object, that I will tell you. So first of all, you need to come to know which is the child object. Just go to the child object, then scroll down and check whether which type it is. Okay, data type. You will know. Sorry, I'm getting so much noise from your side.
Okay, now it's fine.
Yeah, fine. So here you can observe. Okay, this is the object name. Whatever the inside braces. Okay, after relationship. So this is the object name. Lookup object name. This we can guess as a parent object. And here master detail object, this object. This would be the parent object again here. Fine? Like this we will come to know. So how many relations a particular object I am looking at. Okay, whatever I am checking. Now I am checking this object, sample objects object. Okay, so to check how many relations and with whom it is maintaining relationships, so you need to check data type. Under data type, you will you will see lookup. Okay, whether you are having lookup or master detail. Okay, master detail is you will come to know all the properties of master detail relationship, and if you are looking at a lookup, okay, it is loosely coupled like that. All features you will come to know. So this is the object with its with whom it is maintaining the relationship. So like that. Identifying the relation between which also I am explaining here. Okay. And also there is one simple platform or area from which you can check these relationships. Okay. That is schema builder. This is the visually you come to know. For that you need to do, you need to know all the things, whatever the objects. Okay, coming to our customer query, so you need to build some, validation rules or formulas, whatever it may be, reports, everything related to these three objects. Okay, schema field, schema builder is having schema about organization, entire organizations. Okay, if I select all, you will see like this.
This is called dashboard.
These many objects are there. These many objects are there. So what are the relation between all these objects internally? It will show like this. You can observe these many objects are there. Fine. So this is importance of schema builder. It graphically it represents the relation between objects. So I am clearing all. Okay, I'm just picking those objects between which I need to check the relationship, okay, in Salesforce. I'm taking say sample object. I'm manually checking for that sample objects. This is the object. This is second one, and the third one is obj
Tab.
tab. Fine.
Okay.
So after that we have the search icon, right? Just click on that one. Okay. So you can see here. You can see here how this gets related. Just zooming. Let me place these side by side nearby, so that when I zoom it, it will be okay. Fine. So here you can observe the relationship closely, graphically. Okay. Okay. When place the cursor on line between object obj tab and sample object 2. Okay. You can read this line. What is displaying over there? Lookup relationship between sample object 2 to object obj tab. Fine.
Okay.
Coming to the red line between these two, you can see here master detail relationship between sample object 2 to sample object. So this is how we can establish a relation between two objects, okay, two or more objects, and different types of relationships in Salesforce, okay. So different features for each relationship, okay, and how to let you know what are the objects included, okay, within the one relationship. Fine. Using schema builder, we will come to know, or else after checking the object detail page, okay, we will come to know. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Fine, Madhu. With this, I'm ending this session. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow, same time, we'll see about what are the roll-up summary fields in Salesforce. Okay. There is one more concept left, that is roll-up summary in fields section. After that, we will go to further topics. Okay. Okay. Okay, Madhu. Thanks for joining the session.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Yeah. You too. Bye.
Bye.